Accessing EC2 instances without a key pair, a secure and practical approach. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Key pairs are critical for secure SSH access when managing AWS EC2 instances. But what happens when a key pair is lost or unavailable? This podcast will walk you through securing EC2 access without a key pair, ensuring your data remains accessible and secure. Understanding the challenge of lost EC2 key pairs. Losing an EC2 key pair can be a significant problem, especially if you need to access your instance quickly. Without the private key, traditional SSH access methods are rendered useless, leaving you to find alternative methods without compromising security. The impact of missing key pairs on EC2 access. The inability to access your EC2 instance due to a missing key pair can lead to several issues. Operational disruption, inability to perform critical updates or troubleshoot issues. Security risks, delayed access might expose your instance to vulnerabilities. Data inaccessibility, critical data and services hosted on the instance could become unreachable. Essential prerequisites for secure EC2 connection. Before diving into alternative access methods, ensure the following prerequisites are met. IAM permissions. Ensure your IAM user has the necessary permissions to use EC2 Instance Connect and manage security groups. EC2 instance status. The instance should be running with the appropriate security group configurations. AWS CLI. Installed and configured on your local machine for easier management. Security group configuration and active EC2 instance requirements. Ensure your security group allows inbound SSH traffic from the IP address of your management machine. This configuration is essential for establishing a secure connection via EC2 Instance Connect. Verify security group rules. Ensure the inbound rule allows SSH, port 22, access from your current IP or the IP range you expect to connect from. Instance running state. Double-check that the EC2 instance is running. Without this, no connection attempt will be successful. Establishing a VPC endpoint for EC2 Instance Connect. To securely connect to your EC2 instance without a key pair, you can leverage the VPC endpoint for EC2 Instance Connect. This method ensures that all traffic remains within the AWS network, reducing exposure to the internet. Step-by-step guide to creating a VPC endpoint. Navigate to the VPC console. Open the AWS Management Console and go to the VPC dashboard. Create a VPC endpoint. Select endpoints from the left navigation panel. Click on Create Endpoint. Choose AWS Services as the service category and search for com.amazonos.region EC2 Instance Connect. Select your VPC and subnet, then configure the security groups associated with this endpoint. Review and create the endpoint. Connecting to EC2 instances using the VPC endpoint. Once the VPC endpoint is established, follow these steps to connect to your EC2 instance. Open the EC2 console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard and select the instance you wish to connect to. Use EC2 Instance Connect. Click the Connect button and choose EC2 Instance Connect. Use the default settings or specify an IAM user if required. Click Connect to establish a secure connection. Simplified process for secure access without a key pair. Accessing an EC2 instance without a key pair might seem daunting, but the process becomes straightforward with EC2 Instance Connect and an adequately configured VPC endpoint. This method ensures your instance remains accessible even if the original key pair is lost without compromising security. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website and follow our social media links.